This conference will now be recorded.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O is the application name. Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. Here F&O means finance and operations is the abbreviation. Earlier, the same product name is Dynamics AX 2012. Earlier it is Accepta. So the old name is Accepta. Later it was changed to AX, and later it was changed to Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. Finance and operations is the application name. Okay. So in this there are two things. One is technical, another one is functional. I'm into functional consultant. I'm into functional but not technical. I'm not a technical consultant. I'm a functional consultant. Okay, functional expert. So if you want to learn any ERP, to learn ERP, okay, what are the skills required? One is domain knowledge or functional knowledge. So domain or functional knowledge means what, where, which, when, why. Means in your words, it is real-time scenarios. Real-time scenarios that you need to understand. Business people, what they will do. The business people, what they will do. Next, you need to have little technical knowledge. Here, little technical knowledge means you are not going to write a code. As I told you, I'm not a technical consultant at all. But we need to have some little bit knowledge. What do you mean by this means? Suppose your mobile is not working. Immediately what you will do? You will restart your mobile. You will clear your cache data. And if it is any updates are there, latest updates, you will update. Any unnecessary, recently updated any applications, then you will uninstall that one. You will try your level best. If it is not working, then only you will go to technical person. In the same manner, you need to understand a little bit tab, fast tab, radio button, menu item, text, drop down, checkbox, all these things. There are so many small technical words you need to know. Next, Dynamics F&O or AX. The old name is AX. This is how to operate. How to operate the system. So where I have to click, what I have to click. Next, ERP concept. ERP concepts. ERP concepts means ledger, subledger, enterprise level data, company specific data, number sequences. All these are enterprise level ERP concepts that you need to understand. Okay, and some interview techniques. And if you are going to learn finance, you need to learn commerce knowledge also. Commerce knowledge also we need to learn. To to learn all these things, what is the qualification required? If you ask me to learn this application, what is the qualification required? For me, your 10th standard is enough. If you complete your 10th standard, that is enough for me. I can make you a functional consultant. But if you want to get a job, if you want to get a job, you need to have educational qualification. Education qualification means BTech, BCom, MCom, MBA, whatever it is required, you need to do it. That is for company if you want to get an opportunity. And good communication skills. Good communication skills. You need to express. Good communication skills means it is not like you need to have excellent vocabulary, not required. But you need to speak, and that whatever you are speaking, opposite person should be able to understand. That is communication skills. Next, opportunity in the market. Next, practice with the system. These all are in your hands. These all are in your hands. These are in my scope. All together getting an opportunity. Okay. So many companies, so many institutes, they will give you like a job guarantee, job guarantee. I'm not sure. But whoever learned from me, they are becoming a very strong functional consultants. There are hundreds of people have provided training, more than 400 people till now. Outside, inside companies, when I'm working in wherever I'm working, in that companies also, if I include around 800 to 900 plus people have provided training. I love teaching. I love teaching. So I have provided training to many people. Okay, so that is the reason in other institutes, maybe like 3-4 members, but in my training, any batch, it is minimum to minimum 15 to 20 members will be there. Because I'm teaching you how to climb a tree and how to go to a branch of the tree and how to cut a fruit and how to eat. So if you want to climb a tree, definitely you will struggle a lot. Let you. But once you struggled, once you learn how to cut a fruit and how to climb and how to reach branch of the fruit, branch of the tree and the fruit, how to cut it. And if you taken, you are not depending on some other person. Okay, so my way of teaching is you need to struggle. So if you got opportunity through some other ways, then you will struggle in that company. But whenever you are learning, if you struggle, that will help you a lot. Okay, the training will be 2.5 months. 2.5 months. And it will be 6 to 7 a.m. IST. It is T&L, trade and logistics. 7 to 8 a.m. IST. Finance. Okay, other than these timings, it is not possible for me. I am also working employee. I'm interested to teach. That is the reason I'm providing. So my morning timings I'm utilizing. Whenever you are learning, the way you need to learn, first thing is transactions first you need to learn. Next, masters. Next, setups. configurations, parameters. Next, legal entity creation. This means sample project. Then you need to map all these things. This is sample project. First, I will teach transactions. What do you mean by transaction means? Vendor invoice, vendor payment, customer invoice, customer payment, check returns, deposit slip cancellation. Okay, there are so many transactions we are going to learn. Vendor invoices, 5 different ways available. What is what is the different ways it was given and everything you are going to understand like this. And you are going to learn happy paths means positive scenarios and the negative paths means do mistakes and understand the error message, what it is speaking, and rectify the system. That is your task. So your task is this one, but you are going to learn transactions as well. Okay, I need to hard stop by 10:20 because I have another commitment. I'm really sorry. We have 25 minutes. Can anyone unmute yourself and you can ask me questions in your mind, whatever it is there? Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
So what will be covered in trade and logistics?
So, yes. Okay. Finance means general ledger, AP, AR, cash and bank, fixed assets budgeting, tax, consolidation, revenue recognition, and credit and collections. Here, in this sales and marketing, procurement and sourcing, product information management, inventory management, rebate management, all these things are covered. Along with this one, some you need to learn finance because you
Okay.
need to understand something. And you need to understand something about manufacturing. Not much, at least little bit, and little bit warehouse management. Because what is going on inside, you don't know. Okay, actually, MB330 means this one and this one. Warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost, all together it is 330. But I cannot teach this one in the regular sessions. It is in the weekend batches. Once you learn, I will teach this one WMS, TMS, and landed cost weekend batches. One time this one time this one time this one. So majority times people are asking these two. That is the reason rotation basis weekend I'm providing training because same time 6 to 8:30 on weekends I will conduct these sessions. This is weekdays. This is weekdays we are covering. Got
So
it?
is it possible only to join trade and logistics, but you are
Yes.
telling that some finance knowledge is there also required somehow.
Which one?
So that will be,
I'm
suppose I will
I'm
join
teaching.
for trade. Okay.
I'm teaching you. Don't
Okay.
worry.
So in trade and suppose I will join in trade and logistics training only. So
Hmm.
they, you will be covered some of the little bit concept of finance also.
Exactly right.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
It is overlap.
Okay. Okay.
Take
Understood.
example, item group, item model group. It is a
Yes.
T&L topic, item group, item model group. But it will
Yes.
impact
Yes.
finance heavily
Yeah.
and prepayment invoice. Prepayment invoice is a part of logistics, but it will impact
Logistics, yes.
finance. It will impact finance. So the overlap, I need to teach you both. So in 2 weeks, in the middle of the 2 weeks, in 2.5 months training,
Okay.
in this 2.5 months, 2 weeks, I will combine both finance and T&L, 6 to 8.
Okay.
Got it?
Understood.
So that
Yeah.
it will be covered for both finance and T&L. No need to, because I need to repeat for finance to T&L, T&L to finance. Rather than that one,
Yes.
I will consider 2 weeks and I will explain 6 to 8 for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Make sense?
And during training, then suppose I want to do some setups and also I have to do in the trial version only,
Yes.
or any
So,
platform is given by you.
so there are three options. One is temporary link. I will give you temporary link once you joined, once you paid fee. I will give you
Mhm.
temporary link. That link every 2 hours it will be collapsed. It will be closed. It will be whatever you have entered will be closed, and once again it will start. So this is only for temporary.
Okay.
And second option, you can purchase from Microsoft. So how to do it, you don't know. I will give you one number. You can approach that person. He will help you to purchase Microsoft. It is 30 days version. It is around 2,500 to 3,000 between. Okay, I'm sorry. This 30 days
Okay.
version can be extended to 5 times. Means 180 days you will get it.
Okay.
You are extending. So I will give you one mobile number. Otherwise, we have one more option. You can get it installed in your laptop. Okay, for these two, you can approach. You can approach Rajashekar. No need to wait for that one. You can approach now also. 1 minute. I will give you that number. It is not required to join my session. You can approach him 94942 54826. You can approach this guy for installation. Either two options.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions, team? Anyone? So I want to stop by 8, 10, 10:20, sharp by 10:20. Please unmute yourself. You can ask me questions. Any questions, please? You can shoot me if you have any doubts. So in front of the doctor, in front of the teacher, in front of the God, we need to speak. In front of doctor, in front of teacher, in front of God, whoever it may
Right.
be. We need to speak. Then only you will get benefited. Otherwise, no. Okay. So Soma, are you want to speak anything?
So I have also one question.
Yes,
Hello.
please. Yeah.
After completion of this training under you, is there any certification will be given by you or no?
So see, for the certification, Microsoft like institute, if institute is given any certification, that will not help you a lot. It will not help you anything, no use. But if you want to do
Okay.
certification, you can go directly Microsoft
Okay.
certification. That I will help you. I will
Okay.
assist you.
So after going to your training, suppose for trade and logistics and whatever the certification you told, 330, I think, no? MB
Yes.
330. So this
Yeah.
is enough to go for the exam and just write
To be frankly, for T and L, you need to have this knowledge also.
finance.
No, this is
Okay.
warehouse management, transportation management, landed cost.
Okay. 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 That is also. Okay.
But finance MB 310, you can go.
Mhm. Okay, sir. Thank
So
Yeah, anything
Satya,
else
as
about
I
it?
said, you
Yeah,
need to we need to have some technical knowledge, like you said, some
actually,
frequent keywords like
technical knowledge means you are not writing any code. I myself, I don't know any technical,
okay.
but
So
we need to know some words. What is this tab, radio button, checkbox? Understood? Drop down
tables.
button, small things, so that you need to speak with the opposite persons. That I will teach you.
okay. So there will be practical sessions going on, right? Whatever you
Every time
teach
it
will.
is together. Every time it is all together. It's
Okay.
all together. It will be conducted.
Okay.
Always practical only. So first I will explain the notepad, and then I will explain in the paintbrush if it is required. Then I will go to the application. I will teach you all three together. So there are four whenever I'm teaching. One is my mouth. Next one is notepad. Next one is paintbrush. Next one is application. Understood? All together parallel it will go.
Okay.
Hello, Satya.
Yeah, yes, please.
Yeah, the recording will be provided of each every
Yes, yes.
session for
Yeah,
the participant. Suppose
yes. Institute.
I don't understand anything, so I just want to watch again to
Yeah,
understand
yeah,
the
exactly.
concept.
So institute will arrange you a video recording session, but you cannot download it. It is not possible to
But but
download.
but
You can view
but I can watch
whenever you,
again and again.
yeah, you can watch
Okay,
a number of times, just like
okay,
YouTube.
okay, understood.
YouTube, if you want to repeat once again, you can you can repeat. Yeah. Any more questions? Anyone?
Is it better to do both or just FNO?
Always, my suggestion is always better to learn both finance and T&L. First one is if you have time. Time is the first priority. Time. Next one is money. Not giving first priority money. Money you can do adjustments, but the time you cannot adjust. So you need to think if you have time and money, then go with for both finance and T&L.
What is the cost
Otherwise,
for trade and logistics?
so that cost will be discussed with institute, not by me. Institute already pinging here in a one-to-one. Okay, so yeah, in your chart, I think already pinging you visual path. You can share your details, mobile number and email ID. Institute will approach you and they will give you clarifications. Okay, and the batch will be starting from 21st July. I'm sorry. Whether you are interested not interested, join for this 21st, both 6 to 8. 2 days, 6 to 8. You can join for both. Both. You are allowed without any fee. Without any fee, you are allowed. Once 2 days, 21st and 22nd. Okay, you are allowed. Join for both. Let you understand what is the way I'm teaching. Then you can take the decisions. So many people actually BCom graduates, they don't know commerce. They don't know commerce. Even they have BCom and MBA. And they are fear about finance. Then I told them join for both finance and T&L. You can take the decision. Then once they join 2 day sessions, they have changed their mindset. They want to go with finance first because I will teach you commerce also. Whatever the lecture it was explained to you is completely different from my way of teaching. Simple debit and credit. Here, debit means positive, credit means negative. That's it. You can understand easily. I will explain you about the commerce also. That's why I told you your 10th standard is enough for me. So many BTech graduates, they become a finance consultants. BTech graduates, they don't know commerce, debit and credit, but they know very well plus and minus. That is enough. Either you need to know debit and credit, or you need to know positive and negative. If you are fear about positive and negative, you cannot learn finance. But if you are clear about your positive and negative, you can learn dynamics easily, finance also. Because always in the market, finance demand is huge.
Right.
Finance demand is huge when compared with logistics. Once you learn logistics, once you got opportunity, you need to move from logistics to manufacturing or WMS or retail or this one, because fresh blood will come to here only. Junior people, they will enter into this one. If suppose I'm a non-commerce background, if I'm a non-IT person, I want to move from non-IT to IT, then I will move easily from here, this one. So the crowd or demand, I mean to say, more people available here in this area, then you cannot sustain after some time. I'm telling you, not initially, after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, then you need to move this area, or you need to move this area, you need to move this area also, two at least. Finance, it is fine. Understood?
So more demand as on today in the market is finance and trade and
Finance.
logistics.
Actually, demand for manufacturing also huge. Suppose here 60 people are required. Here 10 people are required. But in 10 people, only 5 people are available in this manufacturing.
Yes, yes.
Requirements is 10, but 5 people only available, because manufacturing is a little bit complex.
Is there any plan, Satya, for manufacturing? No, no.
I'm teaching weekends.
Manufacturing.
Yeah, WMS, manufacturing, and I will not teach retail. I will not teach HR and payroll. Remaining all are I'm expert. I have total
So,
22. I have total 14 years of experience in Dynamics, including all ERPs, 22 years of experience.
so for weekend batch, which are the SCM manufacturing only, or WMS, TMS, and all these three? What you are showing?
So first I will teach this one. Once it is completed, then I will teach this one. Once it is completed,
Okay,
then I'm going to this one,
okay,
because this
okay,
requirement is very less. Always huge
okay,
requirement from here and here, but I can teach this
okay.
one as well.
PMA is also weekend batches.
Yeah, that's what actually, like, regularly I'm not teaching. The reason behind, in the weekend only one batch I can conduct, either this one or this one or this one. Majority people are asking this one or this one. Understood? And I'm not finding time. I don't have time because I'm working employee. So I need to do my regular works in my company. And on top of that, I'm providing training. I need to maintain my family requirements. Am I right?
Yes.
So
Beginner
only
मला
Saturday,
भेटेल
Sunday.
तुमच्या much better.
Yes, please. Okay, so weekend, Saturday, Sunday, second half only I have free time. Remaining all are busy with me. I'm always busy. Right. Any more questions, team? We have another 15 minutes, please. Usually, I will conduct even demo even 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours also, if any people are asking. But today I have commitment. Yeah. Any questions, team?
Is there any basic requirement in the laptop, like the size of the RAM?
So for that, you can discuss with this guy. Okay. You can discuss with this guy. He will help you. He will assist you. Any more questions, team? So if not, just I will give you the way how I am teaching. So you need to, if you want to understand ERP, even though you are going to work in software company, you need to imagine like this is your company. This is your company. You are running your business. You are running your business. You are purchasing material. You are selling material. So purchasing material means procurement and sourcing. Selling material means sales and marketing. So inventory you are maintaining here. That is the reason inventory management. These are logistics. And whatever you have received material, for that I need to pay money. Need to pay money means accounts payable. Need to receive money. Need to receive money. Receiving money means accounts receivable. So you need to understand accounts payable, accounts receivable. General lecture. What is the profit? What is the loss? You need to calculate. And to run this business, you need to have cash in bank. Bank payments and receipts through bank only. Or cash. Next one is fixed assets. Also you need to understand budgeting. Tax also it will come into the picture, and consolidation and credit and purchase. These are all together finance. These are all together logistics. And you need to imagine. So I will explain like this. Okay, debits and credits also I will explain you. Don't worry on that one. It will be very clear because whenever you are learning in your college, lecturer don't know real-time experience. So he will not give clarification plus and minus properly. He will explain. I'm not blaming any faculty, but he is not working in a company. If you are working in a company, why I am doing positive, why I'm doing negative, you can understand easily. Okay, so you are going to understand commerce knowledge also with this trainings. That's why I told you you are going to learn commerce knowledge also. So in my training, more than now it may be for more than 550 employees. I mean, it is a people, more than 550 people have provided training. Now in that around 3-4 members are 10th standard completed candidates. Degree is distance education. They also become a functional consultant. But the problem is they cannot get an opportunity in Accenture, TCS, Infosys. Because for that big companies, they want education qualification. Regular. Distance education, they will not consider. So that's what. Okay. Any more questions, team?
Satya, as you told that we can join for 2 days as a free of cost, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And after that, I can enroll then for the course. No issue. No?
Yes.
Okay. When it is going to start, you told?
21st.
21st July. Okay.
Yes. Thursday,
So,
Friday. Yes, please. Yeah.
actually, you told like when we try to shift from non-IT to IT, we choose P&L module so that it will be easy. So, what if we choose finance? Is that easy to get into
No.
finance?
See, actually, if you are a MBA graduate or if you are a BCom graduate, if you are a BCom graduate or MBA graduate, if you are clear about positive or negative or debit and credit, see whether you are fear about debit and credit, you should be very much clear debit and credit or positive negative. If you don't know about this one, go with TNL. If you know either one, you are clear about debit and credit or positive and negative, then I can teach you. So if yourself, you are not a commerce background, suppose you are a BTech graduate and you don't know positive and negative, you are confusing a lot about positive and negative, then I cannot teach you. Got it? Then only
Okay.
you can go for P&L. Got my point?
Okay.
If you are clear, anyhow, I will teach. I will teach. But if fundamentally, whenever see, if you know elephant, so are you thinking, is it really complex to her?
No.
Whenever this is child, at that time, the grass, whatever it was, tighten, it is tried a lot, and if it forgot, it is simple. If it is iron, it is different scenario. But if it is a grass thread, it can remove easily. But even though it will not try, because whenever this child, it was tried a lot, this elephant, but it was not removed. So this elephant thought like, I cannot remove this one. So in the circus, if it is fired, the entire animals are run away. Only elephants dead.
Yes.
So why I'm taking this example? If you are clear, if you are very much fear about debit and credit, I cannot clear your doubt. If you don't have fear about this one, I can teach you. No problem.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Any more
Is
questions?
it difficult to pass the exam?
Examination is not a mandatory. If you are going to abroad, it is better to do it here, because in India it is $80. If it is in abroad countries, it is $165. Other countries. So if you are traveling, if you are planning to go some other country, do it here with $80 and go back. Go to the other countries. Suppose you are planning to go Dubai or Singapore, Malaysia or Canada. Do it here because it is less cost. But it is not mandatory. In India, no one will look for your certification. But whereas in other countries, abroad countries, they look whether you are a certified person or not. Okay.
Okay.
Any more questions, team? Any more questions? So 21st and 22nd, you can join the session. 6 to 7 is T&L, elastics. 7 to 8 finance. You can join for both sessions and then you can take the revision. Okay, initial 2 days, it is free of cost. There is no institute or me not charge anything. You can join. So once if you are joined, once you are able to follow, if you have any doubts, and then we can discuss further. Any more questions, team? If nothing, then we can wind up. Can we wind up the session?
Yes, from my side.
Okay, fine. So please share your number so that institute will share you the new link on Monday. New link will be given. So this is not the same link. New link will be given. If you share your mobile number or email ID, institute will ping you, will give you the new link, GoToMeeting link for 21st and 22nd, and then you can join. Okay, fine. See you
Okay.
all. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
So, Jakula Khan, can you share your mobile number or email ID so that institute can ping you details? Good. Institute, anyone need to provide details? Everyone shared? So, Rajesh and Shreya, if you don't mind, can you share your screen, your details? I'm sorry. Rajesh and Shreya, you can share your mobile number or email ID so that you can join for 21st and 22nd session. Rajesh and Shreya. Rajesh? Okay, Shreya has shared. Rajesh, don't mind, can you share your details, your phone number? Rajesh, are you there? So, Rajesh, okay. If he is not interested, we cannot do anything. Okay, leave it. Okay, see you all. We'll connect once again on uh, Thursday, 21st July. See you all. Bye bye.